Ladies and gentlemen, this second event on the program tonight, it promised to be an absolute cracker. This is the female event, and it's a lightweight contest to be contested over 3 2-minute rounds. It is sponsored by Doug Smith Panel and Paint, and in the red corner we have, she's been waiting for this for a long time, on the way up, please welcome in the red corner, Megyn Mclennan. Her opponent in the blue corner, she represents Canterbury Fitness. She's cool, calm and collected. She's also been waiting for this event tonight. Please give a warm welcome to Kate Gibb in the blue corner. The referee for this contest is Ricky Bushell. As I said, it is to be contested over 3 2-minute rounds. Special welcome to the Kaikanui Tavern team here tonight. Come along to see their competitor. We're hoping that the Kaikanui will become a sponsor, so we're going to do Kaikanui Tavern, William Street, Highway. They've got great live bands, they've got the TAB, they've got the bar, they've got meals, they've got everything. As I said, folks, that bout was sponsored by Doug Smith, Panel and Paint. Don't forget Doug Smith, Panel and Paint.